Welcome back to Blackthornprod. I'm Noah Khalees, a 19-year-old YouTuber and game developer currently working on a game called The Dreadful Whispers. And in this video, I'll share with you another day in my life as I work towards completing my first little commercial project. So it's 8 AM, I've just finished eating breakfast and have had a look at all my messages on Discord, Twitter, YouTube and so on, as well as responded to some emails. Every day I receive 2 to 3 new fan art pieces for the Dreadful Whispers on Discord, and that's just so brilliant and very inspiring. It makes me want to work on the Dreadful Whispers like crazy. Oh, and the other day I took some in-game screenshots of the Dreadful Whispers and used them as wallpapers, so when I switch on my computer, I'm immediately immersed inside the Dreadful Whispers world. Definitely a good way to put me in that game dev frame of mind. I think it's important to try and surround yourself with things that excite or inspire you. So I have fan arts, my own games, wallpapers, also a lovely box full of Binding of Isaac cards. And I also have this nice pile of wireframe magazines all about the world of games and game dev. Surround yourself with this sort of stuff to help get you motivated, excited and inspired. But enough talk, it's now time for me to continue work on the game's trailer. Yep, I've been working on the Dreadful Whispers launch trailer. It's the first time ever that I'm doing one for a game of mine. As you may know, I've only ever made very small, free web games. This being my first little commercial title, it was only right I made a trailer for it. And whoa, it's been such a lot of fun making it. I now officially have a release date planned out for the Dreadful Whispers. I'm using Camtasia Studio 9 to make this trailer. Basically the same awesome software I use to edit my YouTube videos, capture footage and make the cutscenes for the Dreadful Whispers. So it's 11 AM and I've made some more good progress on the trailer. It's almost complete now and it's looking great. I'll obviously get family and friends to watch it when it's done, to get their feedback and be able to change some stuff around if need be. But now I'm going to go on a walk. Really beautiful day here in the south of France. Great opportunity to stretch my legs and rest my eyes a bit from screens. So quick tip, leave stuff unfinished the night before. For example, if you're creating a drawing late at night, don't finish it. Leave it as it is so you can complete it in the morning. This will really help kickstart your day. It's usually a lot easier finishing something than building up that motivation and energy to start something completely new first thing in the morning. That's why I did with my game's trailer, and that's why I was easily able to get back into it this morning. Alright, it's 11:45, I'm back from my walk, and I'm starving, so I'll have a nice pasta lunch. It's now 1:30 PM, I had lunch, and just finished making the game's trailer. It's all done, which is super exciting. I then got my brother to look at it and tell me what he thought, and he really liked it. Sure, there were a couple things he pointed out that I'll need to fix or change, but I'm on the right path. Awesome, I just got updated musics from Dave Allen, the cool music composer I'm working with for the Dreadful Whispers. I'll implement those in the game straight away. It's such a beautiful day, I decided to read my wireframe magazine out in the sun, which was nice and relaxing. But I'll be heading back home soon to make some new builds of my game, because I'll be having my brother playtest the game tonight. He hasn't playtested it for more than a month, and the game has really expanded and improved since then. So I'm excited to get his feedback. I'm also going to share the new game build with Dave and a few other people to get their feedback and make adjustments if need be, before I keep polishing and expanding the world of the Dreadful Whispers. Now, before moving on with the rest of the day, I wanted to take a quick moment to explain why I'm really enjoying making these kind of devlogs lately. There's times where I feel like some game dev god, which is silly, but the amount of comments I get on certain videos and all the praise and encouraging words I receive from you guys, it's amazing and I love it. But it's so easy to let all that inflate one's ego. With these videos, I want to remind myself and all of you that I'm just a quirky guy, a human being that isn't greater than any of you, that lives what you might describe as a pretty normal, relaxing day. Never let the amount of followers or comments or likes you get define how much you as a person are worth. I've made that mistake, feeling like I'm less good than Mr. X because he has X amount more subscribers or likes, or feeling so much greater and special than Mrs. Y because I have higher numbers and more likes and views. So in short, I hope I never give you the impression that I am above you. Anything that I achieve or make, you can achieve or make something as good too. It's just about believing in yourself and putting in the work. So after waiting for Unity to build the game for both Windows and Mac, and then uploading those private builds on itch.io, I've sent the download links to those few people I would love to get some feedback from. And with that done, I've more or less finished what I wanted to get done today. Next up on my Dreadful Whispers to-do list is make a second ending. This is really the last big thing I need to get done. Then it will mostly be about polishing, tweaking menus, making credits, and maybe creating a few extra levels. But for now I'm just going to start working on this day in a life video and then play some Enter the Gungeon. So it's 6 PM and I'm thoroughly enjoying playing Enter the Gungeon, one of the best top-down shooters I've ever played. I'm getting really hungry though, so I'll eat dinner and then me, my dad and my brother will watch the first episode of Game of Thrones Season 8. I've been very excited to watch this and only now have we all found the opportunity to see it together. So just finished watching that. I really enjoyed it. It was great returning to the world of Westeros. Despite a few cringy moments with Daenerys and Jon, there was some fantastic acting. I'm just excited to see how this amazing story is going to end. But now everyone, the moment we have all been waiting for, having my brother Liam playtest the game. So I'm hiding here pretending to not look at him play the game. I don't want to stress him out by breathing down his neck while he plays. For now, I think he's enjoying himself. Alright, Liam, what did you think of the Dreadful Whispers, the new game I've been working on these past few months?
So I just finished playing BTP's game called The Dreadful Whispers, and it is so shit. It's so shit. You gotta put there, okay? It is so damn good.
Yeah! So yay, that feels great. Like with every playthrough there's a few bugs that were spotted, but I'm glad to say that the number of quirks or things that need to be changed, revealed, is decreasing every time. The game is really taking shape and it won't be long before I launch it to the world. And that will mark the end of this rather relaxing day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks so much for watching guys, and another big thank you to my patrons for their financial support. I've recently had a nice bump of new supporters on Patreon, and just know that it's so appreciated and encouraging. It really is. Okay, see you soon. Cheers.